A couple weeks ago, I flew out to New York to attend On the Verge's 10th anniversary, and it was an awesome event. It was a 5-hour flight to get out there, but once I was there, the opportunity to meet a bunch of people who are interested in technology just like I am, and just like probably you are, was a great experience. The first night was full of food and games and tech demos and music and everything else you could possibly wish for, as well as a live recording of a Vergecast, which was very, very fun to see live. So fun that I decided to participate for myself and ask a question. Just wanted to ask, with LG out of the picture, who do you think is the next to make super weird phones that no one wants to buy?
Ooh. Pixel.
It's brutal.
TCL wants to be the next LG, which is like the saddest ambition ever. But yeah, if I had to guess, I'd say if TCL can actually pull off some of the prototypes that they've been working on, they're going to make the next weird phones.
What do you think? You love weird phones.
I love weird phones.
You just got misty about BB10 for like a while.
I miss weird phones. HTC, I miss some weird phones from them too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have it. I think TCL is a good answer right now. No one else wants to get into phones. Maybe Google. I think that might just be Google.
That'd be real.
This is one of the questions that has kind of been burning in my mind since LG left the phone space, and it was great to hear the Verge's take on it. It was really cool getting to kind of ask them a question live. The second day was even more jam-packed with interviews with the CEO of Clubhouse, the VP of Snapchat, and several big content creators, as well as a product release from Razer and a whole council dedicated to conversations about the metaverse, which was really interesting. And then we got to see a live teardown of the OLED Nintendo Switch on stage by the iFixit guys, which was also really cool. After that presentation, I got to talk with the iFixit guys and personally thank them for their MacBook Air teardown, which helped me build my MacBook Pro a couple weeks back. That evening, we got to see the premiere of The Verge's new documentary Springboard, which is the story of the first smartphone, which I didn't even frankly know about, which was really cool. You should definitely check it out. And then to end the night, we got the opportunity to meet and socialize with several editors and writers at The Verge, as well as several content creators that you might be familiar with. It was all in an incredible experience, and I loved my time in New York more so than any visit before. If The Verge continues to do this every year, then I'm definitely gonna go. Thank you for watching NOISO. I hope you like this coverage of On the Verge. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions about the event. And thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.